Hello designers, want to add a new page to your Adobe Express project? Let me show you how in just few easy steps. Here's how to add a new page. First, open your Adobe Express project. In the editor, look for the Pages option on the right panel. Tap on the plus New Page button. A fresh page will appear and you can start designing from scratch. Add text, images, or whatever you need to create your next masterpiece. Use the duplicate page option to create a similar layout for a seamless multi-page design. If you are unable to add a page, make sure your project is saved and you are working within the correct template size. How do you like to organize your projects with multiple pages? Let me know in the comments. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.